no. No, 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 no. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be recreating this makeup look that you see here. I'm so happy with how it came out. I think it came out so beautiful. This makeup look was inspired by Makeup by Ariel, the makeup look that he did for Kylie Jenner's 21st birthday, the Barbie kind of makeup looks. I don't know if you've seen that floating around or not, but that's what this look was inspired by. And I tried to do some of his techniques as well that I've seen floating around on YouTube. So if you want to see how I recreated this makeup look, then please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So to start off this makeup look, I'm going to use my mini Benefit Professional Primer that I have here, and I'm just going to focus this in the center of the face. I feel like Kylie's skin is always really nice and super smooth, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and fill in any pores and fine lines that I have with the Benefit Professional Primer, and just try and create a nice smooth base. And then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation. I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty 110 foundation brush to apply. Next, to highlight, I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Full Cover Foundation. I'm just going to apply a few dabs of this. If you look at a Makeup by Ariel's makeup looks, he really loves for there to be a little triangle of really super duper highlight just in that super center of the face. He doesn't do a big kind of triangle like that. He just does a little triangle just right, focusing right here on the face, which I think helps to slim the face as well. So I'm going to try and focus and try and get that really super highlighted look just on that portion of my face. Can you see that when I'm blending it out, I'm trying to just keep it focused right underneath the inner corner of my eye here? And then I just kind of blend it out just a little bit, just blend out the lines on the rest, so just to highlight a big portion, but really focusing the highlight right here. Okay, now that that's blended out to how I want it to look, I'm going to go ahead and set the makeup. Now, all of his makeup looks are set, they're matte, they're kind of radiant, but mainly set, especially in the highlighted areas. So to set my highlight, I'm going to use the Tarte Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this color here. And just make sure to set the inner part really well. Okay, now that that's set, I'm gonna just set the rest of my face. And to do that, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation that I have here. And just set the rest of my face. And this is will also give me like a little bit of color as well. So just to like contour at the same time. Okay, now that we're all set, I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to take my Morphe, this is the 35B palette. And I just want a transition shade from this one. And for that, I'm going to take this color here. And then I'm going to go into my Kylie's Diary palette. This has all the colors that I want in it. And I'm going to take this color right here. And just build up that crease color. So this dark color, we are going to be focusing it on our outer corner of the eye, the outer V. And you can kind of see that this is being a bit patchy, so just make sure that you blend it really well. And I'm just going to go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this color right up the top here. Okay, and when you're all done and blended and you're happy with how your eyes look, you can move on to the next step. Okay, now for the next step, we're going to do a cut crease, and I'm just going to take my Instant Age Rewind concealer to do that. A good trick with cut crease is to place the product on your lower lash line and then look up, and then that's where your cut crease should be. And once you've created your cut crease, on top of that, I'm going to put this kind of orangey peachy shade here. And I'm just going to go back in and just clean up that crease. I'm going to go back into the Morphe one. And just take this color here. Okay, and I'm happy with how that looks, so I'm just gonna clean off that same brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. This is the Olme eyeshadow brush. It has, I think it's round eyeshadow brush. It's just really nice. It's round, it's firm, really nice for like packing on color. And then for under the eyes, I am going to take the bright pink color that's in the middle there. Okay, and that's pretty much the finished look. I feel like though I need a bit more purple on the top here. I'm gonna take this purple here. Okay, that does look a lot better. You can't really see it on camera, but in person it does look a lot nicer now. It looks like it matches the picture a lot more. And to finish off, I'm just going to put on some mascara, and then I'll put on some lashes later once I've finished everything else off. Okay, my eyebrows are done, and now to finish off the rest of the look, I'm going to do some blush, and I'm going to take, this is an Australian brand, Napoleon Perdis. Just got like a nice pink blush in here and a peachy one. I'm going to mix them together. Okay, blush is on. Now time for lips. Okay, now to do lips, I'm just gonna take a brown lip pencil. You can just use whatever lip pencil you have. And I'm just gonna outline my lips. And then I'm going to take this is a Mecca Cosmetica lipstick. So it's from Mecca Max, and this is called Pouch Pop Lipstick, and this is in the color Day Slayer. And then I'm going to take, this is an XO Beauty, if you see, XO Beauty, this is in the color Ubuntu. It's got a cool little XO in there as well. All my freaking makeup lipsticks are mixed with something. Just get the color off there. And last but not least, to finish off the look, we're going to do some highlighter. And I'm going back into this Chatty's contour palette. Honestly, it has everything that you want like in there. It's got blush, contours, highlighters, setting powders, everything. I'm going to take this one here. And there we have the finished look. I'm so happy with how it came out. It looks so pretty. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, I really like it. thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will try and be bringing you lots more like makeup artist inspired makeup looks. And leave me a comment of any looks that you want me to create. So if you want me to try and recreate anything, leave me a comment. Yeah, and I'll try and do my best to recreate that for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I'm really very happy with how it came out. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.